When you realize this, you will realize you are nothing. When you realize the hadith of Tamim al-Dari, the Malak al-Maut is so powerful and it's so scary that Allahu Akbar, according to Imam Qurtubi, says, so scary is this angel that all the angels in the heaven fear the angel of death more than one of you fears a lion, fears a beast. His feet is on the ground, his head is in the heaven, 12 eyes, black of face, fire leaping out from his mouth, coming out from his nose with a forked iron rod, with 500 angels behind him, with whips and embers made out of fire. Allahu Akbar. Then when you realize this, you realize you are nothing. Then you go a step further. The angels who are carrying Allah's throne, the distance between the earlobe and the neck is 70,000 years. 70,000 years. 70,000 years. When you realize this, you will realize you are nothing. You will realize that your pride will go out of the window. Allahu Akbar. This is the Almighty Allah, the King of all kings, the Master of the Day of Judgment, the one, the only, Allah Azza wa Jalla, the Mighty.